Hey guys, so we've got Rennie here. We're going to be talking about phase 2, phase 3 heel. We've done a little bit of phase 2 heel already that you've seen, so we're kind of on phase 3, which for the most part is really just prompting her if she gets out of position. The difference between phase 2 and phase 3 on heel for me are pretty similar. I'm giving information if I need to, maybe a little bit higher correction level, but also just using it as a guide for my dog, so if she does get too wide or too far, I can give her some information with an e-collar tap to bring her back in. The biggest thing when it comes to heel, especially if you're off leash for sure, you know, you can use your e-collar to clean up heel with your leash all the time, which is great. But if you're going to be off leash anywhere that's not like your house or backyard, I always tell people to leave their e-collar on, even after training, even after you put your time in. Unless your dog is just nailing it, why risk not having that communication tool? You know, why drive without your seatbelt? So, so if you're doing off-leash heel, like really off-leash, she's going to be dragging a long line, but really off-leash, use your e-collar to communicate with your dog. This is your invisible leash, okay? So, you've seen some phase 2 stuff already, so let's talk a little bit about phase 3. It's going to look a lot like phase 2, because I will increase pressure if I need to, but for the most part, phase 3 really just means we're on to verbal commands and not so much button. So I'll tell you when I am applying button pressure, just so you get an idea, but for the most part, we've had enough practice that with phase 2, she's learned the bubble to be in and heel, and it's not that difficult for her to stay there, so I'll kind of let you see. Ready? Let's go. Girl, come on. Let's go, Rennie, come on. Good girl. Heel. Good girl. You're so sweet. Good girl. So she's doing nice. If she likes behind me with a little pressure, like right there. Yes, good girl. Yes, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. She's lagging behind a little bit, so pressure to speed her up. A little wide, pressure. There you go. There we go. In the right spot. Good girl. So I'm saying heel. You know she's following pressure because she's a little ahead. Good girl. Come on. Come in. Let's go. Good girl.